So a little over a year ago, we brought you the FEYNMACH polishing machine. It was an experiment to see whether or not we could make a machine that went back to basics and focused on the core principles that make a good polishing machine. There are a lot of polishing machines on the market these days that have weird and wonderful features, but a pro detailer would never really use them. We went for what we thought is the most important properties for pro detailers. So something that's durable, easy to use, saves time, and is not gonna break, which is the most important thing if you're running a business. You don't want to have any downtime with your machinery. So this is the FEYNMACH V1. Everyone loved this machine. It had the most powerful motor on the market. It had the Japanese NSK bearings, which was super smooth, 21mm stroke with a 6-inch pad from the factory. It had a 29-foot cord. This was built to be the workhorse of the industry, and the response was amazing. People really liked it. We sold out of it, and instead of just reordering the same machine, we thought, well, let's listen to some feedback in the marketplace. Let's try and make it even better. So this is the FEYNMACH V2. We kept the same motor, the ultra durable motor, and has the same Japanese NSK bearings, which are really smooth and really make for good polishing. Some other improvements: the backing plate is a different design, better durability. The same with the speed controller. It's an improvement over the old one for better durability. The power cord is the same, 29-foot power cord. The biggest noticeable difference is the color scheme. So we went from something that looked pretty generic to something that stands out a little bit more and is more identifiable as a Feynlab product. In addition to the 21mm throw, we now also have it available in 15mm. We had a lot of feedback that not everyone likes using the 21mm all the time, and some people would prefer the accuracy and the controllability of a 15mm throw machine. So it's built on exactly the same platform. It shares the same motor, bearings, cord. The only difference is the throw mechanism is a 15mm throw, and it comes with a 5-inch pad instead of a 6-inch backing plate. So we're always trying to improve our products, and we're always trying to push the limits and try to be the best. That's the Feynlab ethos. So the FEYNMACH V2 is a time saver. If you liked using the V1, you'll really love using the V2. Have a play with it and let me know how it goes. Take care, guys.